Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. My name is Betty Burnett. Today I will be preparing for you how to make Italian turkey sausages. This is a very easy recipe. So you notice that I have cut up the bell peppers, onions, garlic, and I've added them to a saute pan with a little oil. I added some vinegar, brown sugar to the mix, black pepper and salt. It's sauteing on the stove right now. I'm going to allow for that to saute for at least 10 minutes before I add the Italian sausages. I bake the sausages at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. I will cut those up and add those sausages to the saute pan with the bell peppers and onions and garlic, vinegar, salt, and pepper. This recipe only takes about 20 minutes to make on the stove top, especially when you bake the Italian sausage in the oven for 60 minutes. This recipe can be served over rice, spaghetti, served as a sandwich. It's an excellent addition to your portfolio. This recipe I've been using for quite a few years because it's quick and easy, and it makes a great dinner. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.